Welcome everyone to another Lucid trading prop firm video. I'd like to share with you a major update for the Lucid Pro account. We're going to talk about it today and share with you a $50,000 Lucid Pro giveaway that you can participate for free just by having a great time here with us. And at the same time, we're going to talk about the advantages that are caused with the current update. We're talking about Lucid Pro, which is sitting in the main spotlight for this one, and the updates have been posted on their Discord community a few hours ago. Daily loss limit dropped for limited time on the Lucid Pro account. This is the major update. All the Lucid Pro accounts are running on 40% off discount. Scramble coupon code maximum discount on Lucid Prop Firm at any point, guys. So feel free to use that, and I thank you. The link is in the comments area or description area. Oh, and by the way, we do daily Lucid accounts giveaways on my stream. We're streaming from 8 a.m. EST time from Monday to Friday, trading, educating people, and doing giveaways. You can join our Discord community, a free prop firm community that you can participate, and feel free to hang out with useful information. At the same time, let's just talk about today's giveaway, $50,000 Lucid Pro. This is how you participate. First things first, you gotta like the video you're watching, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you have to comment on this video, guys. The giveaway ends on July 31st, 2026, and that's just, a couple of weeks into. I'd like to draw the winner on that specific day on my live stream, post the winner in the comments area as a pin post, and make sure the person is reaching out for the best 50,000 Lucid Pro. Now, speaking about the rule, dropped for limited time. Attention please, for limited time. So you can take advantage of this feature. We used to have daily loss limit, and that's something that I guess it bothered a lot of the people. That's right. So thank you, AG, for listening to your tremendous community. AG, by far, their CEO, by far the best prop firm and the best environment for the traders. Therefore, this is running on 40% off at the moment, maximum discount available. And you guys can see the value behind without having a daily loss limit, considering this is an account with one-day pass. So it's a one-day pass evaluation because it has no consistency on the evaluation stage, which means you take the account and you pass it in the same day. You become funded in 5 minutes. You can already upgrade your account to funded and continue trading within the same day on your funded stage. And that's something very important. We trade in our stream today 3 accounts of Lucid Pro, and we passed 2 accounts. The 150,000s are the ones we're trading. We passed 2 accounts by making 9 grand, which is 6%. Basically, 6% is the evaluation target. So we made that 9K, and on 2 pass, 1 lost, absolutely normal, but it's very important to have a great reach. No scaling plan. Attention, you can go max sizing from the first minute. No one has an issue with that. You can surf away, go with your sizing into 10 minis if you're trading the 150K, or with a 50K, 4 minis or whatever, if that's something interesting to you. Because on LucidFlex, the other model has a scaling plan in the funded stage. You don't have that scaling plan on the Lucid Pro. And higher payouts basically for the Lucid Pro compared with the LucidFlex. And that's also an advantage. Therefore, 3 significant advantages here. One-day pass, no scaling plan, higher payouts. What does it mean, higher payouts? Well, $150,000 accounts, which are a lot cheaper than what's happening on the LucidFlex. LucidFlex is $294 for the 150,000. Lucid Pro is $222 right now. It is 40% off. That's a huge difference, guys. About $70 out there. So here we are. Payouts are the same in terms of the first payout, $3,000. But then with Lucid Pro, you have a $500 extra on your payouts per account. Keep in mind, you can have max 5 funded accounts on Lucid, unlimited evaluations, max 5 funded. If you have 10 evaluations because you say, well, I like that promotion, I like to load up 10 evaluations, trade all them, Bring them into funded stage, only 5. The other 5 is kept on pause without issues, without troubles for unlimited period of time. So 3,500, let's just put it this way and see what's kind of the max payout here. 3,500 on 5 accounts, and keep in mind you can do copy trading, which is a massive advantage. You only trade a single account and you pretty much make money times 5. Of course, the losses are following the same ratios, and you need to know that. So $17,500 is kind of the max payout in a single cycle, guys. If you're already towards the 3,500, which is starting with your second cycle on the account, right? So first cycle is classic 3,000. Second cycle is going to be 3,500. Same story for the 50K. It increases by $500, and that's actually a pattern which follows any account model, an increase of $500. That's a lot of money considering you can have 5 accounts doing that. And we're doing 5 accounts basically. We're funded stage 5 accounts that are streaming, and that's a lot of money. So for, it's $2,500 extra in any account because of that 500. I mean, that's where you kind of make the difference here. 50K, we talked about the numbers, 12,500 with a second cycle. That's a great number. And there is another thing here that's advantageous besides the top 3 I've written there. It's less minimum trading days on the funded stage than the flex. Flex is requiring minimum 5 trading days of minimum values per day. With Lucid Pro, you have a 40% consistency. 40% consistency automatically requires you minimum 3 trading days. So minimum 3 trading days is kind of the minimum. You don't have to. You can go 4, you can go 5, 6, 7, 10. It doesn't matter. Well, I'm talking about what's the minimum. A lot of the people like that. So minimum 3 days, you take your payout. Minimum 3 days for the next cycle, you take your payout. That's basically 6 business days for 2 payouts in case you're running big time on the numbers, of course. That is certainly not what the majority will follow or go with. But we're just putting out this kind of minimum values and some possible advantages, of course. In case you're going with this 3 days and you want to go for your maximum payout, which is, I'm doing the math with the first payout right now. For the $150,000 based on 40% consistency, you shouldn't cross $3,040 per day in the funded stage. For the $50,000, you should not cross $1,640 per day in the funded stage for the max payout of the first cycle. $3,000 for the 150K, $2,000 for the 50K. Keep in mind there is a profit split of 90 to 10, which is absolutely normal in the prop space. 90 to 10 is the industry standards. How and when do you qualify for a payout for Lucid Pro? Well, your job here on the Lucid Pro is to respect basically the buffer, earn the buffer. That's your first job. You got to earn the buffer. The buffer is your max loss value, of the account, plus $100, right? So your initial max loss plus $100. That's also the time your drawdown is going to become static, no longer following you. So once you have earned in the funded stage that value, initial max loss plus $100, your drawdown becomes static and it no longer follows you on that specific account. And from that point, whatever you earn with a minimum payout of $500 is your money that you can cash out, right? So for the 150 is 4,600 because 4,500 is the max loss. On 50K, 2,100 with the buffer because $2,000 is your max loss. So you just have to earn your max loss plus $100, and then anything above that goes in your pocket, obviously up to the cap. First payout cycle, and then everything that comes subsequently. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What about the second cycle? What if we made a ton in the first cycle? Let's put it that way. What if we made $10,000 in the first cycle? Because it's possible. You guys see me. I've been trading days like that pretty much back and forth, and it's feasible. So what if I made $10,000 the first cycle, I've cashed out, and I still have sufficient money because I'm left with 157. I was on 160. I'm left with 157. I'm still way above the buffer. So technically, I could run for another payout. That's right. What do I have to respect in this case scenario if I'm 157 starting second cycle? Well, you got to respect 40% consistency in your second cycle, which means minimum 3 days. And you got to respect this minimum profit goal values in your new cycle. So I do have to do $1,000 with 40% consistency in that case scenario. And I just bring my account back to from 157 to 158. And then I can take basically from 158 maximum payout, right? Almost maximum payout. We have to do basically 158, 100 if I do the math correctly, because the buffer is here. 154, 600 plus 3,500. Exactly, 158, 100. Right? So I will have to earn 158, 100. 1,100 from 157 because we cashed out 3,000, 1,100. So I take out I only do 1,100 and take out 3,500. Basically, the 2,400 I cash out is made from the previous cycle. So I'm allowed to cash out money I produced in a previous cycle, and this is applied, is always applied. Indeed, I go down to my buffer balance, minimum buffer balance, but that's not max loss. Max loss is going to be initial balance plus $100, so $150,000, 100. I'm far away from the max loss. I can go for my third cycle. So that's pretty much, guys, the way it works with Lucid. By far, no question asked, top level prop firm, the best one ranked in the prop space. With this, very interesting. It's a huge discount, guys, on the Lucid Pro. Huge discount, 40% off, maximum discount at any time on any account, scramble coupon code on any promotion, flash sale, cases, whatever you have, guys, on any. This is the way it works. Always our code is attached to that. So unlimited buys, this is where we are. Keep in mind, this daily loss limit is dropped for limited time. They're mentioning that we will be using this limited time offer to test parameters for a couple of plan adjustments we are considering. Do not be surprised if when this limited time offer ends, we go right into testing something else, right? So that has to be clear. Thank you, guys, once again. Have a lovely day. Hop up on our 8 a.m. EST time daily live stream, educating, trading, producing some greatness, and of course running daily giveaways with Lucid, other firms. We're having a ton of accounts. Today, you can check out a stream we did for the 6th of July. We did $300,000 in accounts in our giveaway. Thank you once again. Make sure to join this one. On this video, attach this giveaway. 50 grand on the Lucid Pro. Have a lovely, beautiful day. Links, coupon right there. Thank you, guys. See you soon.